About to run one of my buddies. He has a GT 17 GT NA. It's just for a little fun. I'll give him a little smile. Just a little bit. Spot him. Looked like he had a little issue, probably on the shift because it's a manual car. Oh, my camera flew off. Freaking camera blew off. Oh. Gotcha. Sorry. Well, so 360 camera flew off the roof. And apparently my other camera that I had set up in his got low in his way on the steering wheel, so well, let's just say that was an upsetting turn of events. Okay, well, the run was pretty decent. 10.2, 135, about the average nowadays. Charging service. Did the belt pop or something? Yeah, let me get back over here. Figure that out. Really? Again? I can't get anything going right today. Camera flew off again. Camera has never flown off before, but it's flown off twice today. Charging system saying something. I don't know. I'll take a look at what happened there. The only time I've seen that is like if the belt popped. we'll see in a second. Thank you.
You're welcome.
12.9 at 97 miles an hour. Engine coolant. What the? Engine coolant 250 degrees. Did we piss or something? No, somebody went right behind it. Alright, we need to get over there near our equipment. I have a pullover. We're trying to figure out what the heck is going on here. I'm not sure, but something is definitely wrong. I bet I do get a check engine light. Make it back to where we're pitted at. And of course, the guys are just gonna block everything I got going on here. That would be when we ran 12s. That would be when we ran 12s. Supercharger problems. That is not the way to change a belt. Race the Redeye again, and we changed the belt, as you guys should have seen already. So shouldn't have that belt popping issue again. Belt was a little, it had some miles on it, so no harm, no foul. He's not going to be happy about that one. Oh, he's not going to be happy. Oh, sir. I might not make the YouTube channel. Definitely was a nice little race there. Not sure if he left early or if I just left a little late. But he definitely looked like he crossed the finish line just ahead of me. So let's see. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nah, I left late. Woo! He earned that win real good. Good for him. Good for him. I can't believe I left that late. Goodness. Somebody earned the hell out of that win right there. Good shit.
Oh, oh man. Alright.
I ran a 1020, he ran a 10.6, but he treed the heck out of me. I can't believe I really left that late. Wow. But that's racing. Faster car doesn't always win. Or faster truck. All right. Final pass of the night. Me and the Redeye, take 3. So we had belt pop on the first run. My problem, not his. I slept at the light on the second one. My problem, not his. We're gonna see if we got it all together this time. Obviously, I wasn't going to get treated. He did. It ain't his fault I slept last time. He did what he needed to do. But this time, let's just say we made sure we took care of our business.
You got me.
Definitely made sure we took care of our business.
Have a good night.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
Thank you, you too.
Oh man, he had a bad run too. And that's the run you spin?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah, because everything, and it sounded good too, but because I got right back on it and it was like I hit a whole other gear in it. I'll meet you back there. Go ahead.
All right. And it was good fun. Got that one. I just prefer like when both cars are at their peak, you know. But he'll be back with a few changes this coming week, so we'll have some fun then.
Dorian, did you see my mile an hour? Like it's cooking, it's starting to cook. It's 120. I was almost 129.
Yeah.
Son of a man.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's always a pleasure racing SRT showing. That Redeye is pretty fast. I mean, for it to just be stock with a tire, 1050s, 1060s, that thing it's moving. I mean, out of the 3 runs, I figured the first one, my belt popped, so. Second one, he just treed the heck out of me. I tried to come back. Came close, but close ain't winning. Third time, I got much better launch off, and I had enough to keep him off. But to see a more detailed of that race, detailed version, just click that little link. But I enjoyed it all, and until the next time, Boosted F-150 out. Oh, now if you guys have some nice cars and they want to run, usually at ACO on Tuesdays and Fridays. If it's a local track other than ACO, just kind of DM me on Instagram and we'll see if we can set something up. I enjoy racing, so it doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to me if you're faster, if you're slower. It's all fun, you know? So, till then, out.